Hi everyone, it's Elise. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I will show you how to make your homemade almond milk. To make your almond milk, you will need 1 cup of almonds soaked in water for 8 hours. Don't forget to rinse the almonds after soaking. 1 teaspoon of agave, but it's optional. And 4 cups of water. We'll start by placing soaked and rinsed almonds in our blender and cover them with water. Blend until creamy consistency is reached. Add more water and blend again. Place your Almondes bag in a bowl and pour out some of your almond milk. I do that to create more space in my blender, but if you are using a larger one, you can do it all at once. Add the agave to your blender if you choose to use it, and blend some more. Add the milk remaining in blender in your Almondes bag and press the milk out. Press gently but with strength. Be aware of splashes. Save the almond milk. You can bake with it. It makes delicious cookies, granola and cakes. So we yelled about 4 cups of almond milk. So I pour some in a jar that I'm going to put in the fridge, and I pour some in a cup that I'm going to drink right now. It's delicious, definitely. If you want to know more about the benefits of almonds, or if you want to get your Almondes bag to make your homemade almond milk, visit almondes.com. And I will see you soon for another great recipe. To clean your Almondes bag, simply run it under water to wash off the pulp that remains in it. Run it under cold water. Once the Almondes bag is clean, wrap it in plastic or in a Ziploc bag and store it in your freezer. This way it won't develop any bacteria. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you soon.